Hello Kenyans, hope you're good. I am Brenda Kangai and I am here so that we can discuss social, political and economic issues affecting our country. And I'll be vying for the Nairobi Woman Representative seat when it comes to 2027. So kindly, I urge you to support me. So today, I want to dive into what Mr. President will be doing in Mount Kenya region. But before we dive into that, I promised you that I'll be shooting political content each and every day, but unfortunately, I got a flu for the last 2 weeks and I was not able, so I apologize for that. But from today onwards, I promise you at least I'll be making 1, 2 or 3 videos so that we can keep engaging, discussing and notifying Kenyans what is happening in our country. So I kindly ask you, if you're interested in this kind of content, please do subscribe so that I can get your view, you can comment, and you can write on what topic next should we discuss. So the president is going to visit Mount Kenya region. But what I would like to tell the president that is the people of Mount Kenya are frustrated because of his lies. Remember that the people of Mount Kenya mostly voted for the president because they believed that he's a good man, he would deliver, and even that he would help them improve economically and improve economically in terms of their business and in terms of the cash crops that they have. But from the time the president entered into the government, he has not been able to achieve even a single dot in the Mount Kenya region. So I want to tell the president you're going to speak to the frustrated Kenyans in the Mount Kenya region, and I want to tell you the result that you're going to get in Mount Kenya are the same result you're going to get in another region. Because when the country is heading from a difficult political situation, it affects the entire region, the entire country. It does not care whether you are Kalenjin, whether you are Kikuyu, whether you are Luo. The things are bad economically, they're bad to everyone. Kama mimi nafungua biashara yangu, I can't sell. It means even my neighbor from Ukambani, my neighbor from the Swahili community, my neighbor from the Maasai community, my neighbor from the Kalenjin or the Luo community, he or she cannot sell. So what you're going to experience there is the situation all over the country. Don't say ati ni watu wa mlima, ati nini. No, that every person utasikia view yake. Huyo mtu utasikia view yake huko Mount Kenya. Hiyo ndio view iko na kila Mkenya katika hii nchi. So what I want to tell the people of Mount Kenya, first and foremost, mkikuja kutembelewa, chukueni pesa mkule. Hiyo ni hoteli itakuwa imefunguliwa for 1 week. It is better you take that money and make sure that that money usifanye nayo kitu ya maana. Eat that money, nunulia watoto snacks wakule, do nazo minimal things, because hiyo do yenyewe hata sioni kama iko na baraka. But usione yako hapo kwa senti yako ukatae kutoka, toka enda uchukue pesa. But when it comes to the time of voting, vote with your head, not with your stomach. Uchaguane ukijua huyu mtu ambaye unachagua for the next 5 years atakutesa ama atachange life yako. So for William Ruto, because he has shown us his colors, is you go pick the money and wait 2027 you vote him out, umtume sugoi. Umesikia? So Mr. President, before I finish up, make sure when you go to Mount Kenya region, you sweet talk them, because the results that you are going to get there, they will not be fair. I'm telling you. Na watu wa Mount Kenya wasikudanganye ati wanakupenda. Roho isha toka kwao. Roho yao kwako isha toka. That is what I mean. Like uliwadanganya wakakupenda na wakakudamp. Watu wa Mount Kenya ni wale wasee, yule demu kitongoza anaingia anakupenda kabisa. But akikutoka anakutoka kabisa, nendanga kiendanga. Those are Mount Kenya people. So make sure that when you go there, kuna uongo fresh, wadanganye upya, at least uone kama hiyo uongo itaingia na, because at this time you have exhausted all the lies. And that's my take for today. Have a good day, Kenyans.